Hey folks, I got something right here that goes on a weed eater, and most of the time when this happens, then you have to go buy one like this, which runs in the neighborhood maybe $18, something like that. So I bought this to use, and I kind of figured out another way. Maybe I can fix the old one. What happens, this one here, they come with a spool and all that, so I throw it away and use it another way until it got hot back here over months of using, where this little square, it's a square nut fits in there on the little cable that comes out of the weed eater. Well, in this one it rounded it out, and so it'll do nothing but spin. And I'm going to try to use a form of plastic in here and see if I can mold it to the way the nut will fit in there, the grooves of the nut, and put it back on, let it cool, and see if that'll hold. So that's what I'm up to. So we're gonna try that now, and we'll check with you again in a few minutes. Okay folks, we're back. I put some masking tape around this down here, so if the plastic squeezes out when we put it in this, and we put it down on there, a lot of excess plastic is going to squeeze out. So I got this tape down here to keep it from sticking to the other part of the weed eater, and we're going to try that. Okay. I forgot to tell you just a minute ago, but I drilled some holes, 2 holes down here for the plastic to squeeze through those holes. It'll make a pin that'll help hold that plastic that we're gonna mold in here and press in there around that nut. That'll keep it a double, like a pin in it. Okay? Okay. He's getting it now, getting the plastic out of the oven. And we're gonna attempt this here job. We've never tried it before, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. You know, he got his gloves on to handle it with. That's the main thing, is a pair of gloves, so you don't get burnt. So this is some hot stuff, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work out or not. You'll never know till you try these things. But here we go. See, he's slapping it in there now with the glove. And as quick as it gets in there, I'm gonna push it down on the just trying to mold it so it'll fit down in this here round part of this part where the nuts got to be formed.
Alright, shove it on there.
Alright, here we're gonna try it. Here it goes.
Push. Get your screw.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, go on and tighten that thing down if you can. Take that nut off of there.
Like I say, this is the first time we ever done this, so we're running a little stuff here we didn't know we were going to run into. Let's get this here going on. I ain't got my wrench here either. Well, let me get the wrench. Let me get it all together in a minute. Yeah, Walt's trying to get me here. All we need 2 or 3 other things happen.
Yeah, everybody want to be in the movie.
I don't know. Yeah. That's the way it is. But this is a fantastic way to fix stuff that ain't nothing but junk.
Alright, just let it sit there for at least an hour before you try to do anything.
Let's check it one more time. Okay, folks, that's about all we can do right now. I'm gonna let it set up a little bit and cool off, and we'll see what we got. So
Success.
that's it. Maybe. All right. Very good. Okay. All right. We got it back on there, and I got these strings in there. There's supposed to be a spool in here, but see, I done away with that a long time ago, and we run the string through there. This string is probably about 14 inches long, this string, and I run it through there single, run it out, and tie a knot in it right here, which probably gives you about 6 inches, and over here about 6 inches. Pull them up, and whichever one is not 6 inches, and cut them off both the same, just like that. Get them 6 inches so it'll run true. And now I'm gonna crank it up and see how it looks when it's running. Okay, folks, I hope you got a little something out of this, and it really kind of surprised me the way things turned out, but I kind of figured all this stuff out in my head, you know. I said, well, I can't do this and do that, and so just jump on it, and wow, most times turn out pretty good. If it don't, we'll do it 2 or 3 times, and it will then. And we're going to be having all kind of little stuff like this going on in the future, so y'all kind of keep in touch with us, and check out Cracker Swarm. He's got a lot of stuff going on over there too. And subscribe to my channel, and hit that like button too. Thank y'all so much, and we'll check with you next time.